Pillager! You are grounded! Good morning, class. Today we're doing some math tests today. I hope you studied from last night. So, we're gonna do some math today. Let's get started. Here we go. Oh no! I forgot the math test today. What should I do? Aha! I know! I'm going to pull the fire alarm at school. But first, we can actually use the Spider-Man so we can use it in the bathroom. That's a perfect idea. Ha 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 ha. Hey, Spider-Man. Yes, Pillager. Can you use the bathroom, please? Okay, sure, but be quick and don't take too long. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Aha! Yes! There is Jameson's fire alarm. And I'm gonna do anything now and make sure there's nobody else. Let me check. I don't see anybody. Yes! Nobody's here. Now it's time to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. I will do it. Ha 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 ha.
Meanwhile.
Okay, class. Line up in a single fire alarm. Because there's a fire alarm. Let's go. Wait for me!
When everybody got outside.
Okay, class. Now we are exit the building. Now let's take attendance. So here are present. Jason. Here. Creeper. Present. Sonic. Here. Tails. Present. Knuckles. Here. Pillager. Whoa, wait. Where is Pillager? I'm here. I'm here, Spider-Man. So, Pillager, what was in the bathroom? I went to the bathroom to go pee. Oh, okay. Sounds good.
A few minutes later.
Beep! Attention all teachers and students. This is a Principal Jameson, and there is only no fire exit the building. And also, Pillager, please report to my office right now. Ooh! Shut up, Sonic!
When Pillager got to the principal's Jameson's office.
Hi, Principal Jameson. How can I help you? Hello, Pillager. I need to ask you a question. Oh, what is it? So, do you know how did you pull the fire alarm? So let's check it. So let's go check its security cameras. Pillager, come and look. Okay. Okay, what is it? Go find out. Aha! Yes! There is Jameson's fire alarm. And I'm gonna do anything now and make sure there's nobody else. Let me check. I don't see anybody. Yes! Nobody's here. Now it's time to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. I will do it. No! That can't be me. I will never start to do like that. Pillager, how do you pull the fire alarm and actually no fire? Why did you do that? Because, James' son, there is a math test today, and I didn't want to take it. That is no excuse, Pillager, because what you just did, you're suspended for 2 weeks, and I am calling your Steve about this. Ah, great. Here we go again.
When Pillager got home.
Pillager, I cannot believe you pulled the fire alarm at school. That's it. You are grounded for 2 weeks, and then you're not playing the video games or go to most children's house during that time. Go to your room right now. Fine. Screw you, Steve. And don't talk back to me either.